Another thing we've got, you probably can't see on camera, is we've got the new Gopro 9. We've got a new shower tent. This thing is really good for overnighters. Hey everyone, Adam here going overland. We've got Larissa, Haley and Joe, and we're off again.
Hey, we got watches!
We are headed to Lake Broadwater, just south of Dalby. So it's a nature reserve, no dogs there, so dogs at home. It's supposed to be a nice place, so we're going to go check it out. Hopefully the weather's nice, it's supposed to be quite warm tomorrow, so maybe a bit of swimming and a bit of kayaking.
Hopefully.
Going down, so we'll be setting up at night time, which isn't too bad. Sometimes in summer it's just too hot to be setting up during the day, so we don't mind getting there at night time, flick a few lights on, set up, nice and cool, have a beer while you're doing it, and you get to sleep in the next day.
Beautiful sunset. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just dipping below right now. Alright, see you soon.
Good morning everyone. We're at Lake Broadwater Nature Reserve. Sun's just coming up. It's beautiful. Birds everywhere. So we'll go out kayaking I reckon later on. Yeah. Just got up for some sunrise. Nice. So these are our inflatable kayaks. They're doubles, and everything fits in the roof bag. So let's pump them up and we'll get out in the water and have some fun. Yeah, nice little lake to go paddling on. It's a beautiful day. Little dinosaur here in the front. So there's the other kayakers. Are they behind me? Phew! How good is this?
Dad, they're coming to hit us.
How good is this?
Good. It's pretty shallow.
They're a little bit shallow.
It's only about up to there.
Yeah.
I would have to walk.
We could probably walk back from here.
Joe's doing a great job paddling.
Oh, at least he's helping you. He didn't help me at all last time.
Someone's a bit cranky because they had to put shorts on. So their legs don't get sunburned.
Is that Dad?
Oh my gosh. She'll cheer up.
You got me.
Okay, paddle us home. So for camping somewhere we haven't been before and turning up like late at night, not sure what we're going into, we're pretty impressed with it waking up in the morning. It's not too busy at all. and there's quite like the sites. There's not designated sites, you can camp anywhere, but like further down the other end there's toilets and showers and all that as well. So yeah, it's pretty good so far. Loving it. Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm Joe and we are kayaking. If you dip your feet in like this, it feels so good.
Where are we, Joe?
We're in... I forgot what it is.
Lake Broadwater?
We're in Lake Broadwater.
Hey,
Oh, I'm gonna fall in. Ah, help me.
rock the boat.
Hey, how could you do that? No. Can I do something?
So like I was saying before, you can't book for here online for the national parks. There's a caretaker on site, and apparently they come around in the afternoon and take your money. So I think for the weekend, foot per night for the family is about $27. So not bad. They got toilets and showers. There's water here, and there's barbecue facilities, tables, plenty of shade under the trees, and plenty of room. There's 2 campsites. There's a bush one and there's one by the lake. All right. Joe's gonna get out. Let's see him land flat on his face. Go, Joe, go.
I'm out.
You think it's deep?
I'm deep.
We're in the middle of the lake and Joe's walking around on it.
It is not deep.
Just watch out for the snakes. Here they go. Here we go.
So I'm Joe and we've got this awesome pelican feather. Well, we didn't steal it, like go of a pelican. We found it in the water. Can you believe it? And it's huge.
Real mum spot. That went in mum's face. That went in mum's face.
Yeah, you what?
So it's a beautiful day out on the lake. Supposed to be like 35 degrees today, but I don't know, maybe it's 28. And yeah, had a kayak and a bit of a splash around and just chilling out.
Splash around.
Oh, it's getting muddy. It's sinking in the mud. What about you?
No.
You sinking?
No.
Oh, it's just one little spot there. It was real soft. Pretty quiet night it was. Everyone was very quiet. Everyone's spaced out too, so no one's camped on top of each other. Maybe on a long weekend it might get busy.
Look how deep it is.
But yeah, it's really nice. Great for a weekend. That's not a glider. Gliders don't have engines. No, they shape like that. That one's got an engine. You can hear it. Gliders look like that, but they don't have an engine. Don't push on those windows. No. You gotta watch kids with your tent windows. They can push on them and they tear them and stuff. So, just gonna run a couple of new things we've got. So we've had the Julka for a little while. Things are running awesome. Only ever had one issue with that, and I think it was because it was locked in the compartment with the moisture. We've got a new shower tent. This thing is really good for overnighters. So just clips on. We've spun it around. The zipper used to be on this side. We've spun it around, which you can do. so we've got a bit more privacy. We've made up some custom brackets. I don't know if you can see that off the rack. So they're not on the mesh, they're actually mounted to the side rails, and we've put a little light up the top there for switch on it. So night time it's yeah, just reach over, flick the switch on. So we got it mounted on the car for 2 reasons. One, it was easy to mount. The second reason, on big trips, when we separate the trailer from the car, if we do a day trip, we've got an actual change room now. So we go to the beach or kayaking, we can get changed inside there, which is good. Another reason we worked it last night, if we had it here, it's a slight slope. Sorry about the kids. The water was actually running underneath the car. So if we had it under here, it would run over to the doorway on the trailer. And we've also changed to, what are these? Microfiber towels. They're so much more compact when you've got them packed away. They're lighter. They're like a chamois almost. They soak up the water really well off your body, and then they dry really quick. So these are used last night and they're already bone dry. So
where's that little case they go in?
Yeah, really good. And they go in a case the size of your big fat pair socks rolled up. Another thing we've got, you probably can't see on camera, is we got the new GoPro 9. So you might have heard a bit of wind noise of this video because we don't have the mic set up on it yet. We've ordered a new door for it, where it's got the outlet opening. You plug it in. It's also got the fitting so your camera microphone will mount to it. So we don't need any funky sort of mountings like we did on the GoPro 5. So you probably see the footage a lot more clearer, but we've still got to learn how to use it. So yeah, GoPro 9, we'll give you a review on that later on.
Where's the opera?
What's that, Joe?
Where's the opera on the radio?
You want to hear some opera music?
Uh-huh.
You!
Keep the GoPro on.
I'm so wet.
Grasshopper out in the middle. Couple of
Maybe you
pelicans.
can't make it as far.
Yeah.
It's drying off.
So we've had a couple of days here at Lake Broadwater. You know, be packing up today and hitting the road. So beautiful spot.
Yeah, it's not too bad. The caretaker was saying that normally, like last year, this was bone dry. So it depends on how much rain they get as to how much actually goes down into this catchment. But normally it's about 7 foot. At the moment it's about 2 foot. Is that right?
Yeah, and sometimes it's deeper. Yeah. That's another weekend. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. So that was Lake Broadwater Nature Reserve. Just a cruisy weekend.
Not far from Dolby.
Not far, yeah. Today is the heat wave, 38 degrees.
It's very hot.
So trial's going alright. She's sitting on about half temp, so that's good. With the aircon going and the trailer and everything. So yeah, I hope you like the video, and we'll see you next. What's up next? What are we doing next video?
Crewbit Tops, I think.
Yeah.
Crewbit Tops National Park, New Gladstone.
Yeah, there might be that, or maybe a video on the different showers we got. The shower tents.
Yeah. Yep. So pretty happy with that. Okay, alright.
Stay tuned. See you next time.
And I'm just gonna be Joe out.